How to pay with Cash App in store without Cash App card. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So let's begin. If you do not have your Cash App card, in order to pay with Cash App in store, you must have your Cash App application on your mobile. You can simply install your Cash App from Google Play Store or Apple Store. For me, I don't have access to Cash App because this is not available in my region, but don't worry. I will teach you just how you can do it. Open your Cash App, then interface with several number will appear. Enter the amount you want to pay and tap on pay. Then it will lead you to an interface where the details of the person you are paying is appeared. Simply ask the storekeeper for the details of their store. You need to add name, cash tag, phone and email number. And also on the first section, you just have to add a note that will remind you why you paid a certain amount for future, and simply tap on pay. You can see that option on your top right corner. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.